confidence, lumanag ng may angas. Swapos, umaura ng wagas. Pagkama ng lahat, talbog lahat sila. Own the moment.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aloy Moore, 33 years of study, and I'm very proud and honored to represent the budget capital of the Philippines, province of Albay. Thank you so much.
Okay, here you do. Define beauty.
Angel. Define beauty. Well, I believe that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, or others may say that beauty fades in as time goes by. Well, according to them, but for me, sa beauty, it is the sum or soulmate in all of us here in this universe. Actually, ladies and gentlemen, there is no place for being ugly, and it will be just depend on how and to appreciate. That's why we sometimes say it's ugly, but try to appreciate the things the way that life, it is the work of all living. We are already created beautiful because God is the real definition of beauty. This is the beauty of the purpose, the define of the beauty. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have